In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw arrows on your videos in Filmora. So if you want to add arrows to point maybe somewhere or to point to an image as well as to a spot on a video, it is pretty much simple. All you need to do is to add your video on your timeline and then begin. So if you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So once you have added your video on your timeline, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for the drawing icon or sign, which is this. If I zoom closer, you can see here it is. It might be a different shape on your editor. Just go ahead. If you click on it, you can see you have quite a number of shapes here, such as the rectangle, arrow, ellipse, triangle, as well as line. For our case, we want to draw an arrow, so I'll choose the arrow option. If I click on it, now I have selected that option. You can see it is selected here. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and draw it where you wish it to be drawn. So I like to go ahead and draw it here, and now you can adjust this according to your likeness. If you want it to be thicker or thinner, you can just do exactly that. You can also move it wherever you wish, and you can also make it even much smaller or shorter. Now the next thing you may want to do is to go ahead and remove this fill, or as well as make it a little bit transparent, or maybe change the color. To do that, it is quite simple. Head over to this edit button here and then click on it, and from here, if you scroll down, you'll see this option called border. If you click on it, it will give you more options and more functions to change your drawing. So from here, if you want to remove this fill, you can just go ahead. If you want to make the background transparent, you can just go ahead and toggle off this fill. If you toggle it off, you can see the background now will be transparent. Alternatively, you may want to retain the fill, but just reduce the opacity. For that, come here and then reduce or increase the opacity according to your need. And as you can see, if I increase and reduce this, you can see the changes. Should you need, or should you want to change the fill color, that is this fill color, then you can go ahead and change it using the color grade here, and you can just choose any color and it will be applied immediately. So you can adjust this to any of the color that you so wish. You can increase the intensity by just running it back and forth. Now, should you want to rotate, you can use this rotating wheel to rotate or adjust the position of your arrow. For instance, I want it to be that position, and that is it. Also, maybe you want to increase the border size. You can see we have our arrow border color and border thickness. If you want to increase and change this, it is also simple. Just head over to border here, and you can change the color. You can see currently it is set to white. You can change that border color maybe to something like bluish here, or to green, or you can change it to any of these colors. You can see we can change it to that, and you can also make this border color thick by adjusting the thickness here. So if I adjust it, you can see that change will be applied. So that's how you can add arrows on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.